Hey, hi. So today I am going to explain about the merge for the largest sum. It means that as a input, you will get the two sorted linked list, and as a output, you want to merge these two sorted linked lists into one, such that you can switch the one node to another node wherever the we will found the commons. So whenever you will be iterate the every element of the each linked list, then you can pick one of the nodes and you can switch the path, your path after the merging. You can switch on at the common. Like example, I see if you will see here 1 and 0. Since 1 is greater, and then after that 2. Now second element is also second node is also the 2. So this is the common, right? Now at this common position, if we will see some of the linked list 1 might be the at place of 1, it might be for the also there might be some node, right? So sum of 1 is greater than, it means that you are going to pick this path, right? And then after that you can switch up to this point. You can switch at this point. Okay. So like that you can move and you can give the expected output which sum is greater than the which sum is greater than basically. Okay, so let's see how we can do. So logic is very simple. What we will do, we will maintain few of the element, right? Like we have the like this is the like h1 and h2. So our current value always it will be current node, always it will be moved based on the. So in the beginning we will say ki our current is this one only, and this current 2 equal to this is current 2. Okay, so a starting index. Now we will say ki sum, it means that till the common point, right? Till the common point it is in the path, basically we can say. For that actually, for after the common path, since in the beginning common path is the null, so it will be the 0. But till common path, what is the sum of the first linked list path and what is the sum of the second? Okay, so always, since we are going to switch on the common node, so at common node point, the sum 1 sum 2 it will become the 0 0, and we will do it, and result here we will store, right? Results. So what is the conditions it will be? Like see, logic is very simple. These two are the pointer. Is1 c1, is2 c2 is also the pointer, nothing but this will tell key where we are currently, and result is the final results. S1 S2 is the integer value which will add the path, intermediate path sum, basically we can say. I can say intermediate path sum. So see, in the we will start in the loop basically from here and here and here. What we will do, we will start from these 2 points and we'll see ki till this data is not null, right? This till current node basically it not reach up to the end up, and this also not reach both, till it's the iteration of the end. We will run this loop, right? If anyone will iteration will become at the end, then there is no point to iterate basically condition. So let's see what we will do. First condition is that either the current of data point is that C1 of data, this is the first decision point where we have to think what will be the our result, right? C2 dot data. Otherwise, this is the one condition, means initial condition it might be. Second condition it might be, since we are adding the sum 1 sum 2, so based on this data, there is also the chance ki C1 dot D data is less than C2 dot data, right? And second condition is that if this is not found, then there will be the another third condition, right? So these are the basically three condition decision condition, we can say. These are the three decision condition on which we will take the decision. Now let's discuss. If C1 dot data and C2 dot data means pointer where it is exist, if it is less than, suppose that currently it is the 1 and 0, so easily we can say ki 1 is always greater than 0. So it means that we will add the sum 2 into the, means this data we can add into the sum 2 and we'll move this to here, right? Means now our C2 move to here. Now see, in the next iteration what it will happen? In next iteration, C2 dot, it means C1 data is less than C2 dot data, right? 1 is less than 2, since this is sorted order. So in this case what we will do, we will take is sum 1 equal to so in this condition what we will do, in this condition I will do it key, since this is the less than, so sum 1 equal to 1, right? Now this also, and then after that we will move the C1, right? Both is reached here. Now if both is reached here, it means first this condition, then this condition, and in the third times what it, when it will be reached here, then C1 data equal to C2 dot data. Now at this point C1 data equal to C2 dot data. So at this point we will think ki, as per greedy approach we can say ki which is the largest path, right? S1 or S2. Which one is the largest path, we can expect those data, right? So let's see, someone will become 1 plus 3, 0 plus 2, 2, right? So here we can say someone is always here greater than, right? So someone is greater than sum 2, right? So in this case, and our result is also what? 0. So we can say in the result, since this path is greater than, so we can say ki this is our result 1 and 2. Got it, right? I think this is our path 1 and 2, and we'll copy into the result. Okay, and previous equal, this is our result, we can say. Okay, and previous equal to current. Previous equal to current, it means that now this path we will move into the previous pointer. Now this point it will be give the previous pointer, and since this process be completed, this process also it completed, so our head itself it will be moved to at these positions. Okay, current become this one, and head 2 also become this one. Again the same process it will be at for the another, right? So it means that again head 1 be moved right side. See, whole problem you can think in term of the a small pieces of problem, right? A small pieces of problem means that see, this is the one set of problem where we identify the which a specific path is greater than, right? And same thing may be repeated again and again. Okay, so again what we will do here, since we reached the common point, we selected what is the expected output till this point, and then after that we will reinitialize s1 s2 equal to 0, and since head equal to become here, so our current will move c1 here and c2 become here, right? Again the same point, right? Again same thing, it means that again it will be go since c1 dot data greater than this one, so we'll calculate this one and move here, again compare between these two. So again what we can say, ki this is the greater, right? This is the greater, so again it will add 4 here and 5. Okay, 4 and 5 we added, and again this move to head move to here, and c1 will move to here, right? And similarly c2 will move to here. Again c1 c2, then again everything will be reinitialized, and then after that then again it will be compare 101 is greater than, so 101 is greater than, so we'll add this element 101. So I hope so you got it right, how means in every step based on these three conditions I am going to add and switching the path between the first linked list and second linked list. So let's jump into the program. So for programming is also very simple, it's not complex program. So like if you will see largest sum path, it means that this is the base condition. If suppose that there might have the both the linked list, one of the linked list it will be null, then whichever is null, then second linked list we will return, right? Again like I said, 2 pointer we will capture intermediate path and result and previous value. So here this is the first condition where this operation it will be happen for the if the this operation it will be run till path is matched, right? Otherwise wherever path is not means based on the data, just sum2 we are capturing, and here if the path is matched, then there is also chance ki either the sum1 greater than or sum2 greater than. So based on whoever is greater than, according to that I adjusting the results here, if you will see. Okay, I adjusting the results, and then after that here is nothing but there is also the chance ki first iteration you completed and you reach to the null point up to null node into the first node, into the second node, then you have to reach up to first node till end positions. Means I want to say ki after the iteration might be chance that first pointer, second pointer it reaches up to null, this position he reaches, but still might be the second pointer, second c1 it says pointer, it still will be in the intermediate path, right, into the somewhere here. So in that case we'll calculate the sum till end. Similarly in the for the handling of the vice versa, and then after that here just based on the sum value we are returning the final results. Okay, so For the simplicity purpose, just the same node I created, which I sharing here, L1 L2 L1 and L2 L1 L2, and then after that just calling. So you can see, so if you will see here, we are getting the expected result 1021. Thank you.